All right, if we have the fatty acid molecule stearic acid, it has a total of 18 carbons. You can see the red lines, which indicate the number of beta oxidation cycles through which the molecule can proceed. So we have 8 cycles of beta oxidation, but we're going to end up forming 9 molecules of acetyl coenzyme A. So we'll put 8 cycles of beta oxidation, and this will produce 9 acetyl coenzyme A molecules. There we go, like that. So in the first step, the activation step, we always consume 2 ATP. So we're already at a loss of ATP. But in steps 2 through 5 of the beta oxidation, we're going to undergo 8 cycles. So that means we're going to make 8 FADH2 molecules. Each one has a value of 2 ATPs. Excuse me. So that gives us a total of 16 ATPs. Then we're also going to produce 8 NADH2 molecules, or sorry, NADH molecules. I've got the pentose phosphate pathway on the brain. Anyhow, we get 3 ATPs for our 1 NADH molecule, like that. So that gives us a total of 24 ATPs. But again, we have 9 acetyl coenzyme A molecules that are going to go through the citric acid cycle. Molecules enter citric acid cycle. So what's going to happen then? We're going to form 3 NADHs. So we have 3 NADHs times 9 acetyl coenzyme A's. So that's 3 times 9 NADHs. And each one has a value of 3 ATPs. There we go. So this cancels. We get 3 times 9 is 27 times 3 is 81 ATPs. We end up producing 1 FADH2, but we have 9 acetyl coenzyme A, so that's 1 times 9 FADH2s. And we know that we produce 2 ATPs for each one of those. FADH2, we cross that out. That gives us a total of 18 ATPs. So 18 ATPs. So now we've tallied up all the ATPs that are produced. We got a total of 16 plus 24 plus 81 plus 18, and I'm missing one, aren't I? I forget about the GTP. So let's include that. We have 1 times 9 cycles, and we form GTP. And each one of the GTPs is a value of 1 ATP. Like that, I forgot those guys. So that gives me a total of 9 ATPs. Like that. There we go. Now I've got everything that I need. So if I take my calculator, or if I just add it up, I have 16 plus 24 plus 81 plus 18 plus 9, which gives me a total of 148 ATPs. Subtract the 2 from the investment phase, and I end up with a total of 146 ATPs produced from my stearic acid.